guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids and I have Brianna with me today and we will show you how to do 5-strand ribbon braid. So let me turn you around. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Pick up a small section of the hair by the front and split it to 3 equal strands and wrap your ribbon around the middle strand. So from the left you have 2 strands of hair, 2 ribbons and another strand of hair. Now from the left, put your strand under the next strand, then over the blue ribbon and under the yellow ribbon, and I'm holding to the ribbon pretty tight so it doesn't slide down. Now from the right, put your right strand under the next strand and over the yellow ribbon and under the blue ribbon. Again from the left, put your strand under the next strand. Now pick up extra hair and add it to that strand and together put it over the blue ribbon and under the yellow ribbon. Now that you've already made one stitch, the ribbon will not be sliding off, so you don't have to hold to it too tight. On the right, put your right strand under the next strand, add extra hair to it, then over the yellow ribbon and under the blue ribbon. And let's do it one more time. From the left, put your outer strand under the next strand, pick up extra hair and add it to that strand, and together cross it over the blue ribbon and under the yellow ribbon. And on the right, put your outer strand under the next strand, pick up extra hair and add it to that strand, and together cross it over the yellow ribbon and under the blue ribbon. If you don't know how much ribbon to take, if you're using one color, then cut the double length of the hair. And if you're using double color like I am here, then each ribbon is equal to the length of the hair. Want me to? I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, this is completely optional, but if you want to add a bit of the volume to the braid, you could gently tug at the edges of the braid like I'm doing here. Continue picking up the hair until you reach the base of the neck, and after every few stitches I'm going back and gently tugging at the edges of the braid to give it that volume. To me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
crazy. Oh, I just want you now.
And now that we picked up all the hair, let's go over steps one more time. Left strand goes under the next strand, over the blue ribbon and under the yellow ribbon. Right strand goes under the next strand, over the yellow ribbon and under the blue ribbon. On the left strand goes under the next strand, over the blue ribbon, under the yellow ribbon. And I continue tagging on the edges to give the braid more volume. Then on the right, the outer strand goes under the next strand, over the yellow ribbon and under the blue ribbon. Continue braiding until your braid reaches the same length as the one on the other side, and tie the braid with an elastic in the end.
You're beautiful.
Once I secured my braid with an elastic, I will reach the ribbons from the back and tie them over the elastic in a bow to finish off the braid.
You're beautiful.
Alright, let's do a final spin. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials are being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video, I will link down below in the description box. And we will see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!